Today we got the Thermaltake Core P3. Now you've probably seen this thing by now, decked out with all Thermaltake's accessories. They make thousands of dollars worth of parts that you can put on this to your own custom liquid cooling, where you bend your own pipes to your desire. Box is relatively small. There's no handles on it. It's mid-tower. You do have a CPU cooler height limitation when you have the window on there at 180 millimeters. Let's get this thing open, see what's in it. Alright guys, here we go. We got the top open. And the easiest way to do this is going to be slide the box off the top of that. Take the tape off, see what we got inside. Maybe a pattern board for you of some sort. So it does look like it's coming in quite a few pieces. There's the main stuff we were looking for right there. There's all the stuff you'll be putting this thing. That's got a lot of weight to it. Here's your instruction manual. You may be referring to this. This is what I was interested in looking at. Here's the bridge you see on there where the video cards are actually not on the motherboard. Now what I'm curious about is, does this affect the performance at all? We'll do a little testing once we got this thing up and running. But there's all your parts. Let's start getting this put together and see what kind of chore it is.